Okay guys, Higsfield AI has just changed the way we edit videos. I mean, seriously, they've integrated their AI directly into Adobe applications. And I'm not talking about using it through a website. I mean directly inside Premiere Pro and After Effects. Think about how crazy that is for a second. You can now use the power of Higsfield AI directly inside Premiere Pro to edit, upscale, and transform your videos without constantly jumping between different tools. And the best part? You don't need to be a Premiere Pro expert or spend hours learning complicated workflows. You simply tell it what you want, and Higsfield AI handles the heavy lifting. Before I show you guys how it works inside Premiere Pro, let me quickly walk you through some of the features I really like about the tool. First, we have Draw to Edit. You can literally draw on a frame and tell Higsfield what you want to change. Let's say there's something in your shot that you don't want, or maybe you want to replace an object with something else. Just mark the area, tell Higsfield what you want to change, and it'll handle the rest in seconds. And what's even more interesting is that you can also generate transitions or B-roll clips. You just write a prompt and it creates a short clip in seconds. Next, we have Remove Background, and it's not like any other background remover. You drop your clip into the timeline, tell Higsfield to remove the background, and it handles everything for you. And what's actually pretty cool is that you can even add text between the character and the background, which gives you that layered, cinematic effect without any extra editing work. We also have Reframe, and this one is really interesting. Let's say you have a video in 9:16 and you want to convert it to 16:9 for YouTube. You just pick the new aspect ratio, click Generate once, and it keeps the subject in the center and fills the frame for you automatically. You can also change the location, which is pretty cool. Then we've got the Upscale Tool. This lets you increase your video resolution all the way up to 4K or even 8K while keeping as much detail as possible. And finally, we have Edit Video. You can select any clip on your timeline, describe the changes you want, and Higsfield will edit that clip based on your prompt, which is pretty wild. Let's say you want to change the color of this jacket from blue to red. Just mark the area, type a simple prompt, and it does it for you in seconds. So now, let's move on and install it so we can actually try these stuff in real time. To get started, you'll need Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. And of course, you'll also need a Higsfield subscription since these features are powered by Higsfield. Luckily, I already have both set up. If you don't have an Adobe subscription yet, I think Adobe offers a 7-day free trial, which you can use to test everything before you pay a penny. Now head over to Higsfield AI, open the Adobe plugins section, and click on it. You'll see a page like this. From here, simply download the version that matches your operating system. If you're on a Mac, download the Mac version. I'm on Windows, so I'll download the Windows version. Once it's downloaded, if you're using Windows, you'll also need a ZXP installer to install it properly. Don't worry, I'll leave all the necessary links in the description. After installing the ZXP installer, just double-click the Higsfield plugin file you downloaded. The installer will automatically add the plugin to Premiere Pro and After Effects. A few seconds later, you should see something like this. And as you can see, the Higsfield extension is now connected to Premiere Pro. At this point, we're ready to test it. Now, let's open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Before we start using Higsfield, we need to connect our account. Just go to Windows, then Extensions, and select Higsfield from the list. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to log in through your browser. Just click Login, sign into your Higsfield account, and approve the connection request. That's literally it. So now we're fully connected and ready to start generating. As you can see, we've got the apps we need right here, and I've already added some clips to my timeline. Let's see what we can do with it.
Let's say you're editing your footage, and notice this car that ruined the whole clip. Let's remove it.
Alright, so first, click on the clip you want to edit, then head over to the Apps section and select Edit Video. For this clip, I want to remove the car behind me, so I'll type something simple. Remove the car behind me while keeping everything else the same. For the model, make sure to select Seedance 2.0. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, the duration at 8 seconds, and the resolution at 1080p. Then just click Generate. Once it's finished, simply drag the result back into your timeline.
Now it's gone. Let's say you want to add someone.
Now let's try something a little more fun. Again, I'll go to Edit Video, and this time I'll type, I want a chimpanzee beside me, then hit Generate. Let's see what it comes up with.
Now, I will add a chimpanzee beside me. Now, let's change the color of my clothes.
Now, for this example, all I have to do is type, change the color of my hoodie from blue to red, then hit Generate.
All right, let's see. All right, now what about changing the background?
Alright, let's try something a bit crazier. Let's say I want it to look like I'm in Paris with the Eiffel Tower behind me. For this, we're going to use the Background Remover tool. I'll type something like, change the background into a Parisian street. The Eiffel Tower should appear behind me. Then click Generate. Let's see how it turned out.
All right, let's change the background. All right, there we go. That's fantastic. Now, what if your video is filmed with a bad resolution?
Alright, for this one, let's test the upscale feature. I'll simply set the output resolution to 4K and let Higgsfield do its thing.
All right, see? Now let's upgrade this.
Pretty impressive, right? Now let's say you have a horizontal video, but you want to post it on Instagram. For this one, you're gonna need to go back to the apps section, but this time, scroll all the way down until you find a tool called Reframe. Click on it, then choose the format you need. You've actually got quite a few formats to choose from. For this demo, let's say we want to create a reel or an Instagram story, so I'll go with 9:16, and let's also generate a 1:1 version for feed posts. Once that's done,
All right, let's see.
as you can see, it automatically resizes the entire video to fit the new format without any manual editing. And the same thing happens with the 1:1 version. So now, instead of spending time adjusting and cropping everything yourself, you can simply export the video and upload it straight to Instagram. There are actually a bunch of other features to explore, and lots of different ways you can fit them into your own editing workflow. We've only tested a few of them in this video, but hopefully this gives you a good idea of what's possible. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.